Hey, every pony.
Hey, Pony.
Welcome to another Sunday Monday. Wait, we have cereal. Okay, welcome to another Cereal Monday. And today we've got a special holiday edition of Kellogg's Rice Krispies with holiday colors.
Yes.
Know what, Bella Pony?
What?
I think having just a bowl of cereal sounds a little bit not so fun.
No, but ice cream is super duper extra fun.
But we're not having ice cream today.
No.
We are going to make Rice Krispie Treats.
Yes.
Here are the ingredients we need. We need the box of Rice Krispies. We need regular marshmallows. I like Jet Puff. And then the secret ingredient, marshmallow fluff. And some quality Irish butter. I love Kerrygold. I could almost eat that without the marshmallows and cereal. Anyways, I've found over the years that if you just use the marshmallows, they come out like rocks. And if you just use the fluff, they're really gooey and they don't have any form. But if you use a combination of half marshmallows, half fluff, they come out perfect.
Yes.
Okay, now this goes really pretty fast. We're gonna do 2 cups of marshmallows.
Oh no. That's okay. I can eat this too.
Okay, so we've got 1 cup.
Don't spill anymore.
Yeah, you want me to spill more.
Those are a mini pony-sized marshmallows.
Okay, so we've got 2 cups of marshmallows. And then I think I have 2 cups in here of
Marshmallow fluff.
yeah, so it looks to be about 2 cups, so I'm just gonna empty that in.
It just seems like the same.
It's very similar. You can look at how gooey it is.
Ew.
Now, marshmallow fluff is very popular in the north, not as popular in the south. Yet my favorite cousin got me hooked on fluff right around the time we were buying Ponies back in the 80s. It's a little bit light. I don't have quite enough. So I will do more marshmallows. So they might be a little bit firmer. So I'm doing 3 cups of marshmallows to 1 cup of fluff. Then we need 3 tablespoons of butter. This is marked really nice for the tablespoons. So all I have to do is go along the line and cut it. Nice, yummy, natural yellow color. Love this butter. Okay.
Me too.
2, 3. And here we go with 3 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Okay. So that's after 1 minute. Now stir it up, mix it all in good, get the butter mixed in. It's still kind of solid. Because the next time we see it, it's going to be time to add the Rice Krispies. So
It kind of feel like wet Play-Doh.
Okay, and as you can see, another 30 seconds and it's perfect. But at this point, we have to go really fast. So just watch. You want 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
and 5. Okay. And then we get our spatula. We stir it in because it's got to be done fast before it sets. Because if it sets, you get just a big mess. We don't want that. See how it's coming together?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's starting to be a little sticky.
Yep, it's getting a little sticky, and as it cools, it sticks together. I've got a festive tin to put it in, and yes, I got it from the Dollar Tree. And you can see this is just about, it's very hot. I can feel the heat coming off of it. And
hello!
It is moldable and spreadable when it's hot. As it cools off, it becomes more firm and very sticky. It gets into that in-between phase, which is insanely sticky. Very sticky.
Do not put your hooves or hands in it.
No. Okay, and yes, I've got little bits of Rice Krispie everywhere. Oh, pretty much now it is all spread. So you take a look at it, and it's very festive colored, and now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to cool for a little bit.
Yeah. How many minutes?
Just till it cools, maybe 5. Now it's time for Bella Pony's favorite part.
Taste test.
You can see that it still is gooey, but it's got a little bit of solidity to it.
Kind of messy.
It's still a little bit warm.
Yeah.
It will be better when it cools a little bit more, but taste-wise, it is on point.
How was it?
Very good. And it's just a fun, festive treat you can make. That, as you can see, takes only a few minutes. You don't have to use your oven. You can use your microwave oven, so you're not heating up the whole house.
No.
So what do you think, Bella Pony?
Good. Pretty good. Tastes good. And marshmallowy.
You think it tastes better than regular cereal?
Mm-hmm.
Let us know in the comments below if you like homemade Rice Krispie treats. See you next time. Bye, every pony.
Bye, Pony. Please click like and subscribe to join our pony family.